If your Instagram keeps closing or crashing on your device, it may be due to app glitches, insufficient resources, or outdated software. So follow the steps to troubleshoot the problem. First of all, you have to try restarting your device. A quick restart can often fix minor issues, so turn off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Open Instagram again to see if the problem is resolved. And make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram application. You can verify that by going to Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on the search bar, type in Instagram. Once you find the application, tap on it and then tap on Update. Now try clearing the cache. Corrupted cache data can cause the app to crash. So go to System Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, search for Instagram application. Once you find the app, scroll down and go to its storage and then click on Clear Cache. Clearing the data will log you out, so only do this if clearing the cache does not help, and then try reinstalling the app. It can help fix issues caused by corrupted files. So tap and hold the application, then tap on Uninstall, and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. Moreover, low storage can also cause apps to close unexpectedly. Low storage can also cause apps to close. So go to your settings, scroll down and go to App Cache, select all the items and then click on Clear. Beside this option, you can try updating your software as well. So scroll down and then go to Software Update. Now click on Download and Install, and if there is any update available, click on Update and install the update on your device. After that, open Instagram to see if it still crashes. You can also try closing the background application on your device. And after that, check your internet connection. A poor internet connection can cause Instagram to crash. Ensure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Toggle on the airplane mode and off to reset your connection. You can also try disabling the battery optimization. So battery optimization can sometimes interfere with the app performance. For that, you can go to Settings, then go to Battery, toggle the switch of power saving. If the app continues to crash, you can use the Instagram web as a temporary fix. You can go to Google Chrome web browser, search for Instagram.com, and then click on Login and enter your credentials and log into your account. If none of the solutions work, you can consider reporting the issue to Instagram, describe the issue, and wait for the Instagram's response. So by following the simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Instagram closing or crashing on your device. So if the problem continues, it may be a larger issue with the app or your device, and contacting support might be necessary. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.